Hi everybody, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. It's your Tuesday evening, 8:30 p.m. live update. At Dallas Baptist right now, it's 89 degrees. It feels like 94 degrees. The high today was 93, just a degree warmer than the normal high of 92. The morning low 76. That's 3 degrees warmer than the normal low of 73. We've been as hot as 105 back in 1911, as cold as 58 back in 1981. No rain today. For the month, we're below normal by about 1/4 of an inch, and we're above normal for the year by a little more than 1.5 inches. So it's always good as we head into the summer. And if summer does begin this Friday night, it's always good as we head in. That's astronomical summer. Meteorological summer, March is April. Let's see, it's June, July, and August. June, July, and August. So it's always good as we head into the summer. No matter astronomical or meteorological, good to head into the summer with a little bit of a surplus on the rain side. Oak and grasses are both moderate today. Fungus, that's on the low side of the scale. Outside right now at DFW, it's 89. It feels like 94. Dew point temperature still high. Last night it was in the 70s. Right now the dew point temp is 69 degrees. That means we have a relative humidity of 52%, a breezy south-southeast wind at 21 miles an hour. Look at these temperatures across the area. I mean, you head on over to Shreveport. It's 90 degrees. Dallas is the same. Fort Worth is 88, 89 in Mineral Wells, 90 out in Breckenridge, same thing in Albany. Haskell, right now it's 94 degrees, 92 up in Seymour, 89 in Wichita Falls, Archer City, and Graham. Have a 90 out in Abilene. Here in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Waxahachie's 87, 89 in McKinney, and 89 right now in Denton. You throw in the heat index, and it's a little on the muggy side. Certainly humid out there. Heat index values, 95. That's the way it feels right now in Dallas and Terrell and Greenville. 95 also in Denton, 94 in Bonham. Feels like 94 in McKinney, and it feels like 92 right now in Fort Worth. Have a little bit of cloud, just a few clouds up here along the Red River. Had a couple earlier out in western sections of North Texas. And as we head through tonight, a pretty uneventful night. At midnight, 83 degrees, a breeze at 3 a.m., 79. We wake up tomorrow at 7 a.m. or whatever time you get up. If you could sleep until 7, God bless you. Southeast winds at 10 to 20 with a temperature of 77 degrees. That's our low tonight. 77 officially at DFW tonight. The same thing in Dallas. Fort Worth, your low tonight, 78, 75 in Gainesville, 76 in Terrell, 78 in Corsicana, 75s, Granbury, Mineral Wells, Stephenville, Hamilton, Brownwood, Coleman, Ballinger, all bottom out at 75. Same for you in Eastland. Eastland tomorrow. You'll have a high temperature of 95. Fort Worth hits 93. 93 in Dallas. Look at Ballinger. That sticks out. 98. That's the high tomorrow out in Ballinger. 92 in Bonham. The same in Paris. 95 in Sherman. 91 in Canton. Athens the same. 91, 92 in Terrell. You throw in the humidity. Lots of triple digits. Upper 90s. Triple digits across the area. Dallas 100. Fort Worth 101 as we head through tomorrow. Your heat index tomorrow in Granbury is 103. Bonham, Sherman, it'll feel like 104. Gainesville, Denton, McKinney, Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Mineola, it'll feel like 98 tomorrow. So you get the story. And then as we head through tomorrow evening, there's only one of the models that is bringing a little bit of rain, 20% coverage, mainly up in Oklahoma as this little complex tries to drop across the Red River as we head through tomorrow night. As we head through tomorrow night, there could be just a little scattered rain that'll roll through the area. Again, most of the models aren't showing anything. It's really limited coverage, but during that time frame, we could see a thunderstorm or two. I mean, all of the models but one, all of the models are showing nothing except one that's showing just a little bit of rain and maybe a rumble or two of thunder. Again, out of 12 models that I look at for this short time frame, 11 of them have zero rain. One of them has a little bit, so maybe some small hail and some gusty winds, if anything can develop at all. And then as we head through Thursday, I have nothing more than 10% of us picking up a little bit of rain on Thursday. So I don't have a lot. 20% tomorrow evening. I've lowered it. I did have a whopping 30. I've dropped it to 20. And then 10% on Thursday. Other than that, it's just your typical summertime weather pattern as we head through the week. Maybe some of that isolated or spotty Wednesday evening, Wednesday overnight thunderstorms that could pop up. Again, 80% of us won't see a drop of rain. Then as that starts to move away, high pressure builds in. As that ridge starts to build in, Friday and Saturday are going to be the hottest days of the week. Big ridge of high pressure, kind of a summertime weather pattern. Summertime, because it is summertime. Summer weather pattern, that big ridge starts to build in, and as it builds in, we heat up. Then it starts to shift off to the east to the end of the week and early next week. Temperatures go down a couple of degrees, maybe. So we go from 95, 96 to maybe like 92, 93, maybe 94. That's about it. So look at these temperatures as we head through the rest of this week. 93 tomorrow, 94 Thursday, 95 Friday. There's 96 on Saturday, 95 on Sunday. And then the heat index values upper 90s to lower 100s over the next 5 days, taking us right through the weekend. So my forecast tonight, mostly clear, dry, warm, muggy, breezy. 77 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, we'll have clouds in the morning. I don't have any rain in the morning. So don't think when you wake up and you see the clouds, looks like it's going to rain. It may look like it, but I don't have any rain in my forecast tomorrow morning. Afternoon sunshine, a warm, humid day, a heat index near 100, a high temp tomorrow of 93. There's the next 14 days. I have a little bit of spotty rain in the forecast. I mentioned that on Thursday, the same thing on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And summer does begin Friday evening. Friday night at 9:41. So the first full day of summer will be Saturday, and it'll feel like summer, Saturday and Sunday. High temps of 96 to 95. The final 7 of the 14 days. There you go. There's that little cool down as that ridge of high pressure starts to shift off to the east. And as it shifts east of Texas, temperatures go down couple degrees, 1, 2, maybe 3, as we head through the middle part of next week. And then as we head right into the following weekend, the weekend of June 28 and June 29, maybe 10% of us pick up a little bit of rain.